The Freedom Clasp Converters make wearing jewelry a breeze. Simply take your favorite piece of jewelry and add the clasp converter. The spring ring or lobster claw on the converter simply attaches to the jump ring on one side of your necklace, and you attach the other side using the clasp from your jewelry. Unlike a regular magnetic clasp, these clasp converters stay secured until you decide to remove them. Applying and removing jewelry has never been easier. A simple twist of the clasp will disengage it with ease. Our clasp converters are available in stainless, gold-plated, and sterling silver. They also come in a variety of styles and sizes to suit any piece of jewelry. These are also great for bracelets as well. It's time to accessorize with ease and take the struggle out of wearing jewelry.